Okay, so I've just opened up SolidWorks, and if I wanted to access a file I saved in my Google Drive, what I would do is click on File, Open, and the only options I have are things on the desktop. So these I already saved on my desktop, but if I didn't already save those to my Google Drive, I wouldn't be able to open them. So to open them from my Google Drive, what I have to do is first go to Drive, and then I've instructed you to save them in your classroom folder and then whatever class you're in. So I saved one folder here in my folder. You're going to have to download it. And then what you can do is say show in folder. So now you'll know where it is. So it's in the downloads folder. But you can also drag it out to your desktop. And I already have it on my desktop, so it's asking me if I want to override it. You're probably not going to get that message if you are on a new computer. So once you download it, drag it to your desktop. Then in SolidWorks, do File, Open, and it should be right there. So I can double click it and it'll open it up. If I wanted to now save this to Google Drive, I go File, Save As. I'm going to name it as something else. I'll just say a test file. So I'm going to save it to my desktop. Then I go back to my Google Drive. Once I'm in my Google Drive, I go to the folder I want. So I would recommend, once you're in your Google Drive, going to the folder called Classroom, and then open up whatever class you're in. Then once that folder's open, you click New, File Upload, and your file on the desktop will show up here. If not, you might have to scroll on the left-hand side to show the desktop files. Click on the folder, open. Now that file is saved in your Google Drive. So then you can just go back and forth. So then I would download it to the desktop, go to SolidWorks and open it, or from SolidWorks, save it to the desktop, and then upload it to Google Drive. That's all you've got to do.